Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, I think about a week ago. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate that you guys support my channel. This is almost like a semi catch-up video while I've been away for a while, but basically I've been working on our Advent calendar. If you guys don't know, I do have a shop that sells these stickers, handmade stickers, really cute. I finally finished it and shipped them all out today, so it took me a while, but I'm happy that it's done. I can't wait for those who order one. After that, I'll be working on my Black Friday sales coming up for next week, so if you guys are been eyeing on some of the design, that's a great time to buy some of the stickers, so feel free to check it out. There are a lot of things that are going to be happening in December. That is not only Black Friday sale, and also I am going to be moving. I will be moving in December, mid-December, so I'll be doing a large giveaway sometime in December, so feel free to keep an eye on that, and it'll be happening over my Instagram, so feel free to follow me there as well. So I'll be switching this view to some of the behind the scenes, so it'll be kind of fun to watch that too as well. And don't worry, after all the Black Friday and such, we'll be back on track on filming some of my overview Hobonichi planner. Hey guys, I want to show you my update right now. I am writing thank you card, head lettering saying thank you for those who have purchased my Advent calendar. So this is one of the freebie, or not freebie, one of the customization for the Advent calendar that I did show a sneak peek over my Instagram stories. Just want to show you guys how this kind of look like. It is sort of a lot of work writing it out, but I think it much more personalized by writing a letter. Really appreciate it for all the support. So I just want to show you guys my update. So I'm done with writing all the cards. It took me a while, and so then this is the calendars inside, ready to go. I think there's the address there. So this is done, and then I just need a new these bucket and stuff, and then just kind of put the card in the front. It's kind of hard to hold one camera. Wait 1 second. It would be the card, and then personalized name and bunch of Advent calendar goodies in here. I'm so excited. And after that's done, I close this and put some stickers out here, and then of course the label, and then these are off to the post office. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more planner related videos. I appreciate that you took the time to watch my video, and I hope you guys have a better sense of how I work behind the scene. There's a lot behind there that you don't see, but this is kind of like the good thing behind it. But anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!